Today, I'm going to show you how to block a website across all browsers, whether it's Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, Opera, or Brave. This is perfect for parental controls, productivity, or privacy protection. Let's get started. The most effective tool to block a website on all browsers on computers and phones is Cisdem AppCrypt. It supports all popular web browsers and is very easy to use. Now I'm going to show you how to use it on my Windows PC. First, go to the official site of Cisdem AppCrypt. Download and install it. The first time you launch AppCrypt, it will ask you to set a password. I have set it already. Click the lock icon on the taskbar. Mac users can find it in the menu bar. Select Open Main Window. Then enter the password to open it. Click on the Web Block tab. Now Mac users can directly enter the URLs of the sites you want to block. Windows users need to do an extra step. It requires you to add the extension for each browser that you want to block website. If you want the websites to be blocked on all browsers, add the extension to all browsers one by one. The installation process is very simple. For example, to add the extension to Chrome, click the Install button next to Chrome. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. In just a few steps, the extension is successfully installed. The steps to add extension to other browsers are similar. Now I have installed the extension to all browsers on my computer. To block a website on all of these browsers, enter the URL of the website to the top URL field. For example, I'm going to block YouTube. You can add any unwanted site as you like. Now let's check if it is successfully blocked on all browsers. Open Chrome browser. Visit YouTube website. It's blocked. Now open Edge and visit YouTube. Blocked too. This site is also blocked on other browsers. Except block websites on all browsers, this website blocker also has some other useful features. For example, it allows you to block sites by category on all browser. Click the Import button. Select a category, such as social sites. Then all popular social sites will be blocked. The Schedule feature allows you to block a website on all browsers at certain times. You can also set a custom schedule for a website. In the Preferences tab, you can make more settings, such as let it launch at system startup, lock browser when the extension is disabled or uninstalled. This is how to block a website on all browsers. Whether you're limiting distractions or keeping your kids safe online, this method is reliable. Cisdem AppCrypt is available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. I put its free download link in the description section below this video. Thanks for watching.